Hello everyone, and welcome back to Real Life Unboxing. In today's video, we'll be going over another fantastic box from Threadbeast. This one is one of the heaviest that I've ever received. I believe it's like 4 pounds or so, and definitely feels like that, especially on the right side. All the clothing and stuff must be over there. Feels like there might be a pair of shoes, so stay tuned for this one, guys. Let's go ahead and get into the box though and check it out. It looks like we have some pants and stuff in there, but I'm going to go ahead and take the box, pull it to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and have a clear space to lay out all the clothes for us so we can check it all out. Let's go ahead and lay the box over and get into our first item. Alright, our first item is going to be these Amsterdam Slims by Warp and Weft. I'm guessing that's the company. Yup, Warp and Weft. And looks like it has the official tag on it, but doesn't have the price on it. Definitely seems like some very high quality jeans. Definitely like these. I'm gonna have to look up the company though. Never heard of them. If you guys ever heard of them, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys heard of Warp and Weft Amsterdam Slims, because those actually look really fresh and they feel like they got some stretch to them too. But let's go ahead and move on to our next item, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and fold these up as good as I can, and we're gonna leave it at that. All right, now since we got that first one out the way, let's go ahead and move on to our second item. Still might be a pair of shoes in there, because this is a bigger item right here. Another pair of pants. These are just some sweatpants from Halfway Dead. I did tell Threadbeast to try and include some of that Halfway Dead collection that they had going on the website in one of my boxes, and they did just that. Let's go ahead and fold these out and see what we've got. Seem to be super cozy. Got the cuff at the bottom too. I definitely like that. And overall, nice, the elastic band at the top. And has that hemp type material on the inside too. So let me know, definitely let me know what you guys think about these down in the comment section below. Would you rock these? Because I'm definitely going to be rocking these. And if you haven't signed up to Threadbeast already, I'll actually have a link down in the description below that when you sign up, you'll actually get $50 worth of extra threads in your first subscription box through Threadbeast. And I will also receive a referral box to unbox on this channel for you guys, so that'd be greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and move on to our third item and get it moving. I'm so terrible at this. I love it though. It's fucking stupid. Alright, our third item is this awesome Elwood shirt. This one is made in Bangladesh, which I haven't seen in a while. I haven't really been paying attention, but it actually looks like it's kind of stone washed. Definitely got that stone wash looking feel on it, but definitely like it. I've actually gotten multiple things from Elwood. Some of them have been the most comfy pieces of apparel I've ever received, so super cool. I've actually got some joggers from them, and the shirt has a little accent on the back. I don't know what to call it, but it's got like a little overhang on the back. Man, that's one of the comfiest shirts I've gotten from any Threadbeast unboxings or any apparel stores in general. It's probably one of the comfiest shirts I've ever owned. Our next item is going to be this Barney Cools, also made in Bangladesh. See, I haven't even been paying attention because this can't just be a sign. Everything's got to be made in Bangladesh. Here, let's take a look. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, this one's made in Bangladesh as well. Let's go ahead and check out the actual logo on it, which is actually a super cool little parakeet, little cockatoo, a parrot. I'm going with cockatoo, guys. What are you guys thinking? Parrot, cockatoo, cockatiel maybe? You know, because I know they got even a cockatiel. They're like a little smaller version of a cockatoo. So put that down in the comment section below. What kind of bird do you think this is? Is it a crow? Is this a crow? Do you think this is a raven? Who knows? You know what I mean? A raven in the grass. Got a little bit of a little grass overhang, maybe. I don't know what's going on there. Post your answers down in the comment section just to have a little bit of fun. I'm trying to show a little bit more of my funny side on my channel now and then, so yeah, I just figured I'd include that, guys. Let's go ahead and move on to our next item, which is going to also be from the Halfway Dead collection. This one is an actual little skull. I think it's got the brain hanging out. Pretty cool shirt. If I can get it unraveled, there it is. And I think it's got, nope, nothing on the back. So it's a blank shirt on the back, but it's Halfway Dead, and actually feels like it's got a pretty thick fabric and very durable. I don't see anything wrong with it. The print looks good and everything. Definitely like the shirt. So let's go ahead and check out our next item, guys. All right, our next item is an Anya shirt, and this one is a extra large. Let's go ahead and open this one up. It's got a little bit of that paper there. Very light and very bouncy, perfect for the summertime. Actually love the stripes and everything on this one, so really digging this color and the actual overall quality of fabric. So I don't even care if it's a little big on me, but definitely looks like it's gonna be big on me. It seems like our table is filling up with items from Threadbeast. This is like one of the best boxes I've got so far. I've already got a pair of sweatpants, a pair of normal pants, and 4 shirts in this one package already. And from what I can tell, we have plenty more items in the box, so bear with me. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this over to the side a little bit with one of these moves. Bingo bango Winnebago. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab our next item. Our next item is these staple sweat shorts, and these ones I've actually received in another package, but they were of a different color. So this is actually super cool that I got 2 pairs of these, because in my other Threadbeast unboxing, I actually was really excited when I got these as well. So can't wait to wear both of these pairs of sweat shorts around the house, because I'm digging sweatpants normally in the summertime, in the wintertime. But in the summertime, even when I'm lounging at the house, a thick sweat short is actually pretty cool to lounge in. So let's go ahead and move on to our next item. Alright guys, we also got a Crooks and Castles flat bill hat. This one I've also received in another unboxing, but as I said before with that unboxing, I'm tired of the flat bills. I'm tired of all the hats. So I'm really excited to get some actual pants and more clothes that I can wear more than just hats, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm already racking up like 15-20 hats, and that's no joke. So glad to see another fresh hat, but at the same time, I'm about to take that off my style preferences so I don't have so many hats coming to me on a regular basis, and they can just tone it down a little bit. That sounded good. I don't even know why you laughed.
I like it.
That was good. That was good. Alright guys, now even though we have a whole table full, we still have one more item left to go to fill that slot over here. And I'm going to go ahead and pick it out the box right now. Check it out. It's these Slim Fit Rising Sun and Company from Los Angeles, California. And these got Arcor Suede Luxe Luxury Microfibers. And definitely, even through my gloves right here, I can actually feel how soft they are, and they actually are malleable and stretch pretty well as well. So they're made of microfiber and seem to be an amazing quality. Can't wait to give these a try on, and definitely think these are going to be one of my favorite pairs of pants. Definitely like the color, like that it's mute colors. This other one is also a great color for me, but it's not in anything that I've currently got in my wardrobe. So that's a new addition that is going to be greatly appreciated as well. So let's go ahead and lay that on the table. And I'm going to do an overall review for you guys just to let you know, even though you can see it right in front of you. We got the staple sweat shorts. We got the Rising Sun pants that we just went over. The Halfway Dead pants. Those are sweatpants. We got the Halfway Dead shirt, Crooks and Castles hat, the Amsterdam by Weft and Waft, or Warp and Weft, and we have the Anya shirt, the Barney Cools t-shirt with the bird on it. Still, don't forget to comment your opinion on what type of bird that is. Be as goofy as you want, because that's what it's all about anyway, guys. The Elwood t-shirt in the back, and that sums it up for this amazing Threadbeast unboxing. Holy crap, guys. Definitely let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 as well what you guys rate this Threadbeast unboxing. This, like, even out of all the creators that I've seen, the best unboxing that I've ever seen. But that about sums it up for today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more great content, more Threadbeast unboxings, more WATCHGANG, all the cool stuff, guys. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.